Chef Shawnda. Classy as
Hi, this Chef Shawnda. Is it recording?
It's recording. I think so. Yep. No. Yep. There. Yep.
Okay,
That's a shit. Yep.
Right. Hi, this Chef Shawnda, and today I'm going to give you a recipe that's going to kick your sweet tooth like crazy. Yeah. So, this is kind of my grandma's recipe. So what we have is some Grandpa Smith Applebee's, and we have these, and we're just going to chop them. And I like to use this kind of axe because it just chops them all up. Okay, so we're just going to put them on here. But, oh wait, hold on. Before here, we take these, the C-shaped crackers, and then you just put them on there. And then you put the apples on here. I dumped a few. I'm sorry. I may have had a little one. It's okay. So just put them on here. And then we have some flour. And you just take like a handful. There's no recipe for it. And then a handful of sugar. And then you just do that, and then you just kind of like that. And then you take some of this, and you do mesh it up with your feet in case you do what I did. But it's okay. So then you take this and you put a little water in it, and then you're going to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 it, and you're going to pop her in the microwave.
Is that?
No, so we're just going to focus on this for a second. Dad! I'm doing the YouTube.
I need something.
Dad, I'm doing the YouTubes. So you just focus on this for just a second. You can add bananas to it. You can add strawberries to it. You can add, what did you do, Cletus? I'm doing the YouTubes!
I'm trying to fix things here. What is that?
Oh, Dad, she's again.
Let me change that for you.
I'm trying to use the microwave. Dad, will you put something on, please? Mom! I'm using my mom and dad's kitchen only because of the beer virus. Can you...
This man's so dramatic. I'm just going to leave him out here with you.
So, just cut for just a second, okay? Cut for just a second.
I'm hurrying as fast as I can, damn it.
Cut.
Stay tuned. We'll be right back.
That YouTube thing, I don't know what to talk about any tubes you're using.
Dad, you shit your pants again.
No, he shit his pants still. He ain't quit. He means like another time. Still means all the time. Look.
Why? But why?
Nasty son of a bitch. I'm done.
My pie don't look so good right now. I don't know what to do right now.
Microwave.
Not one part.
So what we need to do is just pop her in the microwave. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chef Shawnda, classy as fuck.
Hey. This is Carrie Fry Like Means. Check out the Danger K Show on YouTube. Subscribe to Danger K and Friends. This is the show. I will come to your house if you don't do it. And I mean, do it. Frylock says so. Peace, love, and fragrances, y'all. Danger K. I'm out.